The IBM Aptiva personal computer was introduced in September 1994 as the replacement for the IBM PS1. The first Aptiva models were based on the Intel 80486 CPU, with later models using the Pentium and AMD CPUs. All systems were developed in-house except for the later E-series, which was developed by Acer. The last system was withdrawn in May 2001 without direct replacement when IBM decided to exit the home market. Customers were directed to the IBM NetVista, which was more targeted to business desktops. Most Aptiva models included a modem and a standby, hibernation feature called Rapid Resume. Aptiva computers were typically sold as a bundle which included monitor, speakers, keyboard and mouse. First-generation models came with IBM PC DOS 6.3 and Windows 3.1. Pentium generation Aptivas came with Windows 95 and OS 2 select a system on selected models. Sound and modem functionality was provided on M, A, C and S models by an IBM Mwave adapter. The Mwave adapter had multiple compatibility and performance issues and was eventually replaced by standard modems and sound cards. IBM settled a lawsuit for Mwave owners by refunding Aptiva Mwave owners a small monetary fee so that those owners could purchase industry-standard devices.